So, continuing our discussion of section 1.6, which is on two-dimensional figures, we are going to look now at numbers 16, 21, and 23. So, number 16, we are asked to find the circumference of each circle and then round it, our answer, that is, to the nearest tenth. So, we're not given a circle, but we're given a description of something about a circle. So, we're told that we have some kind of a circle that has a radius of 9 inches. So when we think about our circumference formula, we have two ways to write our circumference formula. That is, circumference is equal to 2 pi times the radius of the circle, or it's equal to pi times the diameter of the circle. So whichever one we use kind of depend on what we are given. So for this one, we're given the radius. So let's use this one, 2 pi r. So I'm going to take r and I'm going to plug it in. So I know that r is equal to 9 inches. So I'm going to plug in 9 where I have r. So I get circumference is equal to 2 pi times 9, which when I multiply that together, I'll get 18 pi. And since they want us to put our answer, they wanted us to round our answer in their sense, excuse me. I'm going to take 18 pi and multiply that in my calculator. And when I round it off to 1 decimal point to the 10th place, I'm going to get 56.5. Instead of talking about circumference, which is basically the perimeter of a circle, it's going to be inches. Okay, let's look at number 21. So number 21, the directions are find the area of each rectangle with the given base and height. So number 21, we're told that we have a rectangle that one side has a length of 2 feet 3 inches. The other has a length of 6 inches. So before we start working with this thing, we need to keep in mind that this first one, 2 feet 3 inches, that's two different units, okay? So we can't just say 2.3 inches because 2 foot 3 inches is definitely 2 feet 3 inches does not match 2.3 inches. So first, we need to make sure that whenever we're doing this problem, we've got all the same units, okay? So I'm going to take 2 feet 3 inches and I'm going to convert it into 27 inches because you think about it, 1 foot has 12 inches. 2 feet would have 24 inches. So then I'll take 24 inches plus 3 inches gives me 27 inches. So now we keep in mind the area of a rectangle. So our formula is going to be base times height. So I'll take these two figures, 27 and 6, plug them into my formula. So 27 times 6 will be 162. And since we're talking about area, this is going to be 162 square inches. Okay, lastly, number 23. Find the area of each circle in terms of pi and to the nearest tenth. So with this circle right here, we are given a circle that has a diameter of 200. So area of a circle formula, that's going to be area is equal to pi times radius squared. So in this circle, I'm given the diameter, I'm not given the radius. But I know my diameter is 200 and I know my radius is going to be half of my diameter. So I take half of 200 to give me 100. So I plug in 100 into my formula. So pi times 100 squared will give me roughly 10,000 pi. So that's our answer in terms of pi. And then it also wants our answer to the nearest tenth. So my answer to the nearest tenth will be 31,415.9. And since they don't give us a unit, we'll just leave our answer just like that.